Eric Mother.com. Let's take a look at the need to extend trend lines. Here we are looking at the Nasdaq 100 long-term monthly charts going back to 1990. Let's take a look at the line connecting the highs of 2000, highs of late 07. Extend that line. And we can see that this line was a nice buy signal for the market once the market moved above this line in 2013 at a price range here of about 2700. The market went on to record the highs at about 4700. Now what we can do is extend the same line, and what I'm getting at is this seems to have given us some type of a short-term backtest failure, which might be a red flag. Now let's switch here and take a look at another line going back to the lows of 01, and I'm gonna draw it this way so it can make some sense. It's one way of looking at it, and you can see that this line did give us a buy in the market once the market moved above that line sometime here in 03. It was support here, and then it became a test or a break point here in late or sometime in 2008 for this sell signal there. The market stayed below that line until it moved back above the line here in 09. Let's call it somewhere around there, and then it became support here in 2010 for the nice re-entry, support again here in 2011 for those lows. It touched the same level here for the lows of 2012, and now it seems like the market is giving us a backtest failure, which is a sell signal. So there's another line indicating that long term this market might be struggling. Now you can also draw another line or the same line a different way, connecting the lows of 02, connecting to the lows of or the break point of 08. Extend that level. It should look something like that, and we can see another sell signal because the market has been unable to move above that blue line. Now there's another line that also goes back to the break here in 2000. So that line can be drawn like this, and this line is packed with information because you can see that every time we broke through here over the last 10 years or so, in fact 15 years or so, the market has gone on to a major bear market. So the sell signal here in 2000 was the sell signal there. Sell signal in 2008 in the RSI gave us a sell signal in the price, and now we seem to be wanting to weave our way back below that red line. So there's some indication here that in this current market we can test the theory that lots of lines are indicating a sell signal in the market here. And again, I'll draw the lines. So let's begin with the first one right there, giving us a backtest failure there. There's another line that we just drew right now here, and the market is seemingly going back below this red line. It's another line. Then there's another line going back to the lows if you draw it like that, or if you want to draw it different, you can draw it connecting the lows of 03. Should look something like that. All these lines right now coming in contact with where the market is showing resistance. Indication here is, let's watch this. Maybe the market is predicting that over time we are due for a market that is due for a major correction. In other words, a major bear correction. We'll see what happens, but the purpose of this video is illustrate the need to keep your lines on the charts, because some line extensions can give you information down the road. Eric Mother.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. EACS.